Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in to Modern Earth Wellness, the channel made specifically for your wellness and pre- and post-op VSG journeys. My name is Lo, and I am the creator and founder of Modern Earth Wellness and a post-op VSG patient. In today's recipe, we will be making vegan cottage cheese. There's only 6 simple ingredients. All you need is 1 cup or 8 ounces of silken tofu, 1 cup or 8 ounces of firm tofu, 1 tablespoon nutritional yeast, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1.5 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. We're going to start with the velvety sauce of the actual cottage cheese. So go ahead and put in your silken tofu and all the ingredients except the firm tofu, and just blend. You want to end up with a slightly liquidy, yogurt-like consistency. Now that the sauce is silky smooth, it's time to crumble in the firm tofu cottage cheese morsels. When you're about halfway through, go ahead and give it a stir, and then add the rest of your tofu crumble. And there you have it, delicious vegan cottage cheese. Thank you so much for joining me here at Modern Earth Wellness. If you enjoy the recipes and weight loss surgery lifestyle tips on this channel, please like, click, share, and subscribe. And as always, live, love, and be well.